Our seniors are our foundation of our co-op. We've been in existence for almost 90 years. So to be a part of and to help our senior membership would be a great opportunity for us.
The Villa Pascal is a 38-bed long-term care facility where we provide professional services like nursing, physicians come and visit, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, spiritual leaders, and we provide those things that residents are used to in their own homes.
Many of the residents that are here today are members of ours and have been members of ours for decades. You know, we've done lots of work with kids and lots of work with schools and lots of work with recreational places, but we haven't really done anything, you know, with our elderly community.
We've had residents here who used to work at the co-op, and so we feel we have a fairly close, symbiotic relationship with our local co-op.
So a few years ago we started to talk about what the Villa needed, and we surveyed the residents at the time. If you know the Villa, you know that everything happens within the main room of the Villa and it can become very congested. So we needed a dedicated space like this room here that will provide extra square footage for activity and exercises and music and spiritual care.
They're adding on 4 single bedrooms and they're making it a palliative care unit. And I think that's an excellent addition.
There probably is a shortage of places like this in the community, and it's quite important to take note that it's nice to have a facility this size. With their expansion that they're doing, I think it's important for the local businesses to get behind and support a project like this for sure.
So the co-op has generously committed $100,000 over 3 years to the Villa. So we decided to put together a little lottery for 3 years in a row, and the co-op is going to donate the large prizes.
All the teachings that my parents and the elder generation provided for me have helped me in my life, and I think it's important for my kids as they look at that generation to show where we've come from, what are we doing, and how we can give back for the foundation they laid.
It's a smaller-based nursing home. They make it very personable, I think, you know, and it doesn't feel like an institution. You know, it feels like home.